And another thing is, well, they're addicted to all that stuff because they're so calorie deprived. But then they say, well, when I eat high fat, I don't go crazy. That is because the body doesn't want that. But what these people don't realize is that they're really under eating. They don't count calories. Oh, that's unnatural. A primate buying meat from a store is unnatural. Everybody on the low-carb diet side, as I was saying, when I eat high fat, I can eat less, and I don't binge until later. And they don't realize they're under eating because the appetite is shut down. Because if you try to sustain yourself on that kind of food, well, what do you get? Heart disease, diabetes, obesity. So they're under eating, and guess what happens? Well, you can't just keep doing that. And sure enough, what I see year after year, when low-carbers talk about their diets, they talk in terms of weeks and months. Oh, it's going great. It's day 4. I'm serious. I've got this stuff screen captured. I saved on my computer. Check it out. And yeah, you have to start at some point, but I'm talking almost everybody has been doing a low-carb diet for a short time because that's all you can do. And they'll even say stuff like, it worked great a few years ago and I'm going to do it again. Why'd you stop? And why are you doing it again? Because you had to stop and your body put the fat storage back on. Is this making sense? The people speaking out against this low-carb scam have been making sense for years now. What do we have to do? What does it take? Look at the trend. You believe in low-carb and you've done it in the past, and you're fat. You cannot blame carbohydrates, because everyone on a high-carb diet is thin. You're yo-yo dieting, and as long as you stay on that yo-yo, which is basically a low-carb or calorie restriction yo-yo, you will always be fat. Or you will have to live like an anorexic and be miserable and die early anyway. So the ball's in your court. We have given you all that we can, and for free. But you continue to literally buy into the scams, creating a billion-dollar industry. It's time to put your money into something good. It's time to fruit it up and high fruit yourself.